Hello everyone, this is your girl Pauline from my crafting hut. Hope everyone's doing well. Listen, I'm just coming on to show my concept of these gummy bears, and thanks to LBE for the idea of using these bags, because I have oh, I'm so sorry. I have about 5 of these yellow gummy bears, a pink, and I believe a blue. So yeah, so I decided to go ahead, and I only got a few of these bags, like 12 of these bags, um, because I wasn't sure how they were going to work, but I really do like them. So anyways, coming on with this concept, let me show you what I came up with. So yeah, so with this concept here, of course we have the gummy bears, and in the bottom I have some yellow and white thread. On the back I have this bag mitten, and of course I have the cup here, and then these little box here, I got these, I believe they were from Amazon. But anyways, so what I did was I used the backing of the cookie boxes that I bought, and I put some candy in here with a yellow rose, and of course a yellow ribbon. Tie tie a yellow ribbon around the old oak tree and place it back in there. At the bottom here, I have this Bodycology. It came 3 in a pack, and I got that from Walmart. That was the only one that I found, and yeah, I'm gonna make it work for this. We have one of the candles from City Trend, and yeah, so that is this concept. So you all tell me what you think about it.